explore our Apexton cow leveling production line. This is the first critical process in producing high-quality metal integrated panels. Hey, that's our boss walking over there with filming equipment. Well then.
The next day.
Today, let's explore our Apexton cow leveling production line.
Woo!
It transforms large metal coils through uncoiling, leveling, and sheeting, all in one smooth process, into the high-precision flat sheets we need. With it, we've achieved 3 major breakthroughs. First, full production control. No more waiting for external processor schedules. Urgent order. Let's go. Second, efficiency boosted over 30%. Sheets move directly to the next process stage, eliminating transport and waiting time. Third, flexible production. Small batch custom orders are no problem. We handle them with ease. More importantly, quality leap. Mirror-like panel flatness completely eliminates internal stress and wavy edges. Dimensional accuracy controlled to millimeter level, laying the perfect foundation for subsequent production. Good tools are prerequisite to quality work. Apexton Cal is the Star's first guarantee of quality.